In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Open to Work setting on LinkedIn. This process is straightforward and will take about 5 minutes. Whether you're actively seeking new opportunities or just want to keep your options open, adjusting this setting is a great way to signal to potential employers that you're interested in new roles. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the LinkedIn website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in LinkedIn's URL. Or you can click the link in the description to go directly there. Once you're at the LinkedIn homepage, you'll need to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your login credentials, your email or phone number and password, and hit Sign In. After logging in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn homepage. From here, navigate to your profile by clicking on the Me icon, which is typically at the top of the page in the navigation bar. This icon often features a small version of your profile picture, making it easy to identify. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Open To button. It's usually located right below your headline and profile picture. Click on Open To, and you'll see a drop-down menu with a couple of options. Select Finding a New Job. This is the option that signals to recruiters and hiring managers that you're open to new job opportunities. Now, you'll need to complete your preferences. LinkedIn asks for specific details to ensure your profile is matched with relevant job opportunities. This section includes job titles you're interested in, job locations, and job types such as full-time, part-time, remote, or contract positions. Make sure to complete this section by filling in all the fields accurately. It's beneficial to be as precise as possible to attract the right kind of attention. After filling in your job preferences, you might notice an option that allows you to choose who sees your Open to Work status. You can either make this visible to only recruiters or to all LinkedIn members. Choose the option that best suits your privacy needs. If privacy is a concern, selecting recruiters only is a safe bet, as it ensures only those with LinkedIn recruiter accounts can see that you're open to opportunities. Finally, once you've set everything up to your satisfaction, make sure to save your changes. You'll likely find a Save button at the bottom of this section. Click it, and your preferences will be updated. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Open to Work setting on LinkedIn. Taking these steps keeps your profile fresh and up to date, letting your network know that you're ready for the next step in your career journey. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips like this one.